Everything I'm learning says you're not supposed to repot plants in the fall, only during the active growing season. So that's what I'm leaning on. Also, it's still summer in the northern hemisphere. It's exactly 10 days before fall begins. The Monstera is big. It's got humongous leaves. It needs support. I'm gonna repot it into a larger pot and add a cedar plank and attach it to it. I'm armed with my scoop and ready to get this out. I'm gonna try to loosen it with the chopstick. The idea is just to loosen it all around and then pull the pot out. Pull the planter and leave the plant behind. Separate them. I am on a time constraint. It is 2 something. I have to leave here in an hour. This is not gonna take that long, is it? Is it? Oh my God. It's a lot of roots you've got there, darling. Oh my word. That's not budging. At least you can speed up content, right? How are you doing, darling? Oh, it's not ready. Okay, hold. The struggle continues. Am I gonna be able to get that plant out of there? Inquiring minds wish to know. All right, I'm gonna try from this side. I've already broken a couple of roots here. I'm not crazy about that. Exactly how is one supposed to get this ball of roots out of here? Like how? How? It won't pull out as a whole. Ah, it will not. Sorry. How's this angle? Come on, you. Listen to all that tearing. Oh, what the hell? Oh, of course. I'm trying to pull against the fucking mesh. You moron. Oh, look at the fucking camera. That was special. It was never gonna come out with these fucking things. I just undid them all. I'm recording it for posterity so I can have a recollection of why I'm an idiot. Okay, I'll stop berating myself. It's not cute. Now, will it come out since I stopped being an idiot? No, it was more than that. Oh my word. Monstera, darling. I'm birthing her again. Come, you majestic being. Out you go. Thank you. That sucked. All right, so I got it out of the pot somehow. Now the job is to get it into this pot with one of these cedar planks without getting a splinter so that it can have support. I'm glad I'm doing this. It is, I don't even know what time anymore. I have soil in the pot and the plank. I'm having fun, so that's a good thing. That spot on the wall is the reason why I'm doing all of this. You hefty heifer! How many hands do I need? Let's go! Oh my God. Here. I really thought I messed up. I thought I had to go deeper in the pot. I'm just gonna be content with what I have here. I'm about to get the Velcro and secure the stems to the back of it loosely so that way I can guide it better before I secure them. So that's next. All right, this is the last stretch. How do I keep you straight like this? Why won't you stay like this? You will. This is not secured appropriately. You need to be secured lower. This is so fun. We're almost done. It will bring itself over. You'll see. All right, let's move it into place. Oh. Hey, darling, you're coming home. Right. You will turn around, right? Then you'll know to go that way. Oh, hi. Why won't they stay like that? This is where we're gonna stop. Look at where it's facing. This 0.5 angle is not the most flattering thing, but it's not about me. I would like for this to be facing that way. I also don't want to break it, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna water it, I'm gonna top it off with soil, and I'm gonna see how it does. You know what I'm saying? Well, this has been chaotic, but it's been fun. And it's not over, it's just the beginning. I hate how that poor leaf is turned like that now. We made it to day 2. The plant is straighter. I moved the philodendron, so I swapped them around. We strained it out. We did some kind of rigging to get the plan to not just be leaning completely to this side, but to go over that way more. And with the aid of the grow light and window, I'll get there. That was fun. Okay, bye. Oh, and yeah, my name is Madeline, and this is Metamorphosis. Why does this look like it's looking down at me? Who the fuck? Thank you. Is this thing on?